At Novatech, we're committed to fast response times and reliable, friendly service. But how much faster could we be without travel time? What if we could see exactly what the customer sees instead of just hearing it? At Novatech, we leverage XMReality's tools to boost service efficiency for our customers. Whether it's walkthroughs and instructions for onboarding or remote installations.
Okay, I see an Ethernet port for you guys. And then what plug is it plugged into as far as the power? Right there? Okay.
Or using the customer's eyes to guide them through a quick fix that saves small issues from becoming a service call.
Is it gone? Okay, you just had a little dirt in its eye in one of the print heads.
Remote support also can record any troubleshooting.
That could be a couple of things, but my brain tells me that's something to do with the hard drive.
Helping to diagnose problems quicker and equipping technicians in the field to know exactly what they're walking into.
Oh, there's like yellow on this.
Yeah, that's not good.
With no download required for the customer, they gain hassle-free guidance and immediate attention to their problems without the need for any tech savvy or advanced knowledge. Request more information at novatech.net/contact us to learn more about our remote support services. It's just one more way our service teams help to bring our customers up to speed.